Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to the Daily Current Affairs. Rakesh Asthana has been appointed as the Delhi Police Commissioner. He is the he is the Director General of Border Security Force and now he is appointed as the Delhi Police Commissioner. Earlier he served as a Special Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation also. Next one. Akhilesh Mishra has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Ireland. Here, the India has appointed the senior diplomat Akhilesh Mishra as the country's High Commissioner to Ireland. Previously, the ambassador of India to Ireland is Sandeep Kumar. Now the new ambassador is Akhilesh Mishra. Next one. India and World Bank signed $250 million project to make existing dams safe and resilient. Where this project is signed between the India and the World Bank about and they sanctioned to give about a $250 million US dollars loan, and it is a project which is especially for the uh, to take care of the safety of dams and improving the safety and the performance of the existing dams across the country. And this is a phase 2 project which is phase 2 project of DRIP, that is Dam Rehabilitation and Improvement Project phase 2. This is the second phase which was signed between India and the World Bank, and this agreement is signed between the World Bank and the Government of India and the Central Water Commission, that is CWC, and the governments which are going to which participates in this project about the 10 participating states, and from these 10 states about 120 dams are going to be undertaken under this project, and uh, they will in these dams will be taken care under this project, and the other dams from the other states are also be added during the project implementation. Next one. The Indore has become the only city to be selected for International Clean Air Catalyst program. That is, the Indore, which is in Madhya Pradesh district, is selected as the only city for the International Clean Air Catalytic program. And Indore is also known as the cleanest city in the country. And this project will be operated for a period of 5 years to purify the air in the city, and and purify and to taken care of the air quality in the city. And it is in between the cooperation corporation of municipal corporation of Indore and the Madhya Pradesh Pollution Control Board. Here, this clean air catalytic program is an program which is launched by the USAID, WRI, and EDF. That is, USAID means US Agency for International Development, and the World Resource Institute, and the Environmental Defense Fund. These three organizations team up and launched a program called Clean Air Catalyst, and this is uh, and this program is to combat the air pollution in the cities like which has the low and the middle income countries by accelerating the clean air solutions. And the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and the governor is Mangubai C Patel. Next one. Border Roads Organization, that is BRO, constructs highest motorable road in the world in eastern Ladakh. Here, this BRO construct a highest motorable road in the world in the eastern Ladakh at the feet at 19,300 feet above, and this creating a record high altitude road constructions. And the lieutenant governor of Ladakh is R.K. Mathur, and the director general of border road organization is Raju Chowdhury. Next one, RBI imposed a penalty of rupees 5 crore on Axis Bank for violating the rules. And the headquarters of RBI is Mumbai. MD and CEO, sorry, headquarters of Axis Bank is Mumbai. MD and CEO of our Axis Bank is Amitabh Chowdhury. And the tagline of Axis Bank is Badhti ka naam Zindagi. Whereas RBI imposed a 5 crore penalty for violating the rules which was implemented by the RBI. Next one. And RBI also imposes about 50 lakh fine on the Janalaxmi Cooperative Bank for the non-compliance, which is headquartered at Nashik. Next one. Now, if we see, RBI has cancelled the license of Madgam Urban Cooperative Bank, which is headquartered at Goa. And the RBI has cancelled this license of this cooperative bank because the bank has not has uh, enough fund, and it is unable to pay its depositors in full. And this urban cooperative bank is headquartered at Goa, and the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. And the RBI also said that 99% of the depositors who deposited in this bank will be receive full amounts of their deposits under DICGC, that is Deposit Insurance of Credit Guarantee Scheme. This DICGC is a fully owned subsidiary of the Reserve Bank of India, and this DICGC helps the customers to return the full amount of the deposits in the banks, which in the banks. Especially this will become in this will be used in the banks like where the RBI cancels the license of the banks. This DICGC Act will come into the cooperation, and it will give the amount to the customers, and it will claim about whi- which means it not give the full amount, but it will claim amount up to rupees 5 lakhs as an insurance on the every customers who deposits in the bank. And it gives under the act of DICGC Act 1961. And the chairperson of DICGC is Michael Patra, which is headquartered at Mumbai. And the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Shaktikant Das. Michael Patra is also the deputy governor of RBI. Next one. RBI authorizes IndusInd Bank to act as an agency bank, which means now the IndusInd Bank is also becomes the eligible to carry out the transactions which are related to the government leads businesses, which means the IndusInd Bank will carry out transactions of all kinds of government businesses. And the CEO of IndusInd Bank is Sumant Katpalia, and the headquarters is at Pune. Next one. West Bengal has received four Scotch Awards for its schemes under the Ease of Doing Business initiative. And the Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee, and the Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Next one. Graphic artist Anand Radhakrishnan has won the prestigious Will Eisner Comic Industry Award. This this Anand Radhakrishnan has won the Will Eisner Comic Industry Award. It is this award is considered as a Oscar award in the comics world, which means the Oscar award in and the Will Eisner award in the comic industry is about equal, and this award will be given out annually. And for this year, this award is won by the Radhakrishnan, Anand Radhakrishnan. Next one. A new book titled My Own Mazagon has authored by Captain Ramesh Babu, and this book is published by Indus Source Books. My Own Magazine is book which is written by the Captain Ramesh Babu, and in this book he features the history of he tells about the history and the story of Mazagon, which is an island which was merged in the Bombay. And this book by this book he rediscovers the forgotten history of the Mazagon. Next one. Eminent Dogri poet Padma Sachdev passes away. Yeah, this Padma Sachdev is of 81 years old, and she passes away recently. She also received a Padma Shri award in the year 2001. She got this Padma Shri award for her contributions in Hindi and also in the Dogri language. Uh, Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.